Hello everyone, my name is Nancy. Today I'm going to show you my final project. And as you can see from the screen, I'm using Jupyter Notebook. It's Python. First, I have loaded the data to have a sense how the data looks like. We have 9,000 plus observations, and it contains 4 features and 1 output target, which is energy output. So after that, I have decided that this is just a regression task where we need to predict the energy output value. And the algorithm we can consider will be linear regression and decision tree that we have learned from the class. And before I'm going to choose the algorithm. I would like to understand which features I should choose because it might not be all these 4 features are relevant to our target value. And also, I have chosen the mean absolute error to calculate the performance for evaluation purposes. So before I do the feature selection, I have split our data sets to train and test site with 80 and 20% random split. I want to avoid data leakage, so I only want to use the training data for feature selection. And after that, I have calculated the coefficient of each feature against the target value. It appears that the first 2 features is more relevant to the output value, but we're not very sure. So I have run linear regression model for all different combinations of feature set. So if I only select 1 feature, it's giving me a mean absolute error of 4.243. If I select 2, the error is dropping. If I was selecting 3 features, it's dropping further. If I select all 4 features, it's the best. It's giving me a mean absolute error of 3.658. And now, I would like to understand whether decision tree algorithm is going to make a difference here. So similarly, I have tried it on all different combinations of feature. If I select 1, it's giving me an error of 4.657, which is not as good as linear regression. But if I select 2, it's giving me an error of 3.17 only. If I select the top 3, it further reduced to 3.045. If I select all 4 features, it's increasing the complexity, so the error actually increased back a bit. So with all these 2 linear regression and decision tree algorithms, I have actually chosen the model for decision tree with the top 3 relevant features, which is temperature, exhaust vacuum, and ambient pressure for this regression task, because it gives the best performance among all of them. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.